Still welding microwave cavities manually? Weld depth inconsistent. For models need 4 lines. Changeover takes half a day. Capacity drops instantly. 3 pits of cavity welding. First, stamping, punching, bending, welding scattered across stations. Manual transport inefficient. Second, different cavity sizes and shapes require gripper and program change per model. Third, weld quality by worker feel. Inconsistent weld strength, yield fluctuation. This fully automatic welding line uses a 6-axis robot to run stamping, punching, bending, and welding end-to-end. Modular grippers swap in 2 minutes. One line compatible with 4 models. Consistent welds. Yield stable above 99%. 3 cores. First, 6-axis robot flexible picking. Vision identifies model and auto calls the matching gripper and program. Fully automatic model switching. Second, modular grippers built to standard interfaces. Stamping, punching, bending, welding grippers swap like changing nozzles in 2 minutes. Third, welding parameters locked in system. Current voltage, speed, auto-match per model. Weld consistency guaranteed. Watch the demo. Sheet metal from the stack. Robot picks and feeds into the stamping station to form cavity shape. Then into the punching station for vent holes. Then bends 4 sides and 2 legs. Finally, into the welding station for auto spot welding. 1 cavity, start to finish, fully automatic. By the numbers. Manual welding ran 4 models on 4 lines, 5 workers each, changeover 2 hours. Automated runs 1 line monitored by a single operator, changeover 2 minutes. Yield from 92% to 99.5%. 1 line matches 4 lines of capacity. Beyond microwave cavities, oven inner liners, dishwasher liners, sterilizer cavities, and other appliance sheet metal welding all fit. The key is modular grippers plus a flexible robot. Changeover as fast as changing channels. The core of cavity auto welding isn't how dexterous the robot is. It's whether modular grippers can cover all your models. How long does your welding line take per changeover?